Oh, well, hang on. Okay, welcome to Don's Manufactory. Started blocking the door, so I thought I'd kind of show you what I'm doing here, and there you have it. There's really not a whole lot to show and tell, because that's all I'm doing is sanding the car. Alrighty, let me cut to the shot. Well, moving on here a little bit. I got a little low spot there. I got a little low spot there. Just totally forgot a dent right there. And I just got through spraying this. All of this is done. I gotta do the little C there though. But, you know, coming along. Well, this is it for tonight. As you can see, I've got a little flat spot right there, and there's another one just barely right there, enough that primer will fill that one. I'll have to put some glazing compound in that. The rest of this looks really good. Just, oh man, it's just coming out really nice. Even the crease or the peak of the quarter looks really good. As you can see, I am getting through to the epoxy. Cleaned up and masked off the car and sprayed primer on the spots that I had to put some glazing compound in. That little dent right there is gone. The little depression there is gone. And the one on the back is gone. And when it was wet, I could tell that it was perfect. Well, she started right up. Got her flipped around. This is the way it's going to be in here when I paint it. Small change here. Took the deck lid off so I could take care of the drip rail. And there's the deck lid. I had to take the gasket remnants off the bottom side, so I got all that done. And then besides that, I'm still just blocking, you know. I got the filler panel done. Well, the whole right side of the car is done. And now I'm working on this here quarter right here. So it's really looking good. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Not really a lot to talk about other than, yes, I had, well, we'll call them complications from COVID. Wound up having to go to urgent care. Lost almost a whole week in recovering from that. Ugh. Anyway, so, you know, I'm just slugging away. There's really not a lot to show or even tell. Thanks for watching Don's Manufactory. I'll catch you later.